stock intake. So backing out of the garage, DJ blipped the throttle and it sounded kind of cool. All right, let's go for a drive. There we go. So we're just gonna roll into it. This is with the intake. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear it. That's awesome.
And you do notice a difference.
So with a Goodwin Racing race exhaust, just that Helmholtz chamber and tip, you can definitely hear the induction noise. Roof up, windows up. It sounds so good. Let's just keep recording. All right, DJ's a maniac. Oh, that sounds so good. All right, you guys are going to be super happy with this.